Hello, this is how to add and edit pages on the Lonely Traveler website. The first step is if you see the URL here, whatever is the URL on the top, you need to put /wp-admin. Once you do that, you go back to the CMS backend where you have to put your username and password, which will be provided by us. Then you click login. Now, on the left-hand side, there's all the things that you need actually to edit your website. The website, this is called the dashboard. Now let's start with the homepage. If we want to edit the homepage and change the content on the homepage, it's basically by clicking edit page. Once you go to the homepage and you are logged in, you can click on edit page. And over here you will find the page info. As you see here, this is the image that you have on the homepage. This is the content. This is the latest blog posts, which cannot be edited because it's auto-generated. This is the images on the homepage. Let's take a look on the homepage and compare. On the homepage, you find this latest post. It's auto-generated. The latest post comes automatically from whatever you posted recently. And here, the most popular travels it's images added here with the URL. Over here, you find the auto-generated Instagram posts. Now, this is the code for Instagram posts. It's auto-generated, so you don't need to edit it. So let's start from the top. To edit the block here that has the image and the text, it's just by clicking on the pin here. It will edit the text block. As you see, this is the image. If you want to edit this image and change it to other image, it have to be the same dimensions. You can see the dimensions once you click edit on the image. You'll find the advanced options, and you'll find the link to caption alternative text. As you see, there isn't anything there right now on this image, so that's why we need to keep it clean. So if you want to add any new image, basically you click on the image that you want, click add media. On the media here, it will show you all the images that you have currently, including the image that you have there, which with the 145 dimensions. If you want to change it, you need to get the same dimensions image by clicking upload and select the image. You can select the image from the file. For example, this image, you need to see the dimensions for it. Click right click on it, properties, details. Will give you all the dimensions. Now, after you select the image, you just click insert to page and it will insert the image that you want automatically here. And the text can be changed just as any text editor, like a Word document or something. Something similar to that. After you finish, click Save Changes. It will save the changes, and after you finish the changes, you click Update. The same thing here for the single image. To edit it, click on Edit Single Image. If you want to add a new image, you can add whatever the image you want. You choose the image to large, and over here you can put whatever the image link that you want. The image link here can be a URL, it can be a link to another image, it's up to you. But you need to put a link here to go to a page or something different. It's up to you. You can choose the image to be none without any custom URL, or with a custom link, so you can put the link to go to another page. You can choose the link target to open in the same window or a new window. A new window, it will open for you a new tab on the top, and the same window, it will keep it in the same window. After you finish editing the image, click Save Changes, and after you finish, click Update. Now, it's the same process for every page on the website. Now, that's page is something, and post is something else. These are posts, these are pages. To see all the pages list, you just click on all pages. If you worry that you get you get them confused between the pages and posts, you can go to the pages and you can see all the list of all the pages. And to go to the home page, as you see, it will give you front page in black text here to say this is the home page. And for the inner pages, it will give you the name of each page. If you want to edit any of the pages, just click on edit and it will take you to that page. Okay, now inside this page, there is these three URLs. Let's view the page by clicking on view page on the top. You can see these three URLs that goes to different pages. On the bottom here, set feature image. In the layout type, it have to stay on full width, so you can get the full width of the page like this. Now, after finishing, as usual, click update. Now I'm gonna delete something and undo it by clicking on the trash can here and click delete. To undo what I just done, if you clicked update right now, you cannot undo. You have to undo it in some different way. But if you didn't click update, you can just refresh the page and it will give you back everything you've done. And by clicking on revisions here, click browse. You will see here the timeline of the page. We can go back now in time to put back the URL, which right now is 1 minute ago. It can go back to 1 month ago and click restore this revision. It will restore it and update it automatically to your page, so you don't lose any of the information that were deleted by mistake. Now, the other thing is the posts. The posts is a little bit different. The way you can add them is actually by clicking add a new post. Let's first edit a post to take a look how it looks like from inside and explain it, and then we add a new test post. Now this is the post. In the post here you can see a lot of coding. This coding is not something necessary to add by your manually. Basically, if you have some documents to copy, you can just copy and paste. It will copy the same format of that page. On the right hand side, there is the featured image. This featured image will add the top image of the post for you. If you click on view post, you can see here the top image that is set as featured image. Here is all the content, which is Instagram content. Basically, if you want to copy anything from Instagram, you can just copy paste and put it there. It will copy it and paste it with the coding. But make sure when you copy it, it's on the visual tab, not on the text. The text tab doesn't copy the information as code. The visual tab, it copies the information as code. After finishing changes, you click update. On the right hand side here, there's all categories. You can set the post under the category that you want, and it will automatically go there. To add a new post, click on add a new on the left hand side. You can add here whatever the post you want. For example, best. Select, for example, Africa. Set featured image. Whatever the image that you want, set featured. And here you can click publish after actually adding anything you want. Click publish and it will publish it. To remove the page after publishing it, you can click on move to trash and it will delete it. That's all for how to use WordPress. The only thing left is menus here. The way to use menus is any page that you add new, it will go to the top here, and you click add to menu and it will go to the bottom. After it's going to the bottom, you can select